Hello and welcome to Dine. Today we're going to be making wontons. First, we start with the filling. So, scoop out as much or as little of the meat that you will be using. I like to split it up with about 2/3 or 50-50 ratio, if you please, of chopped shrimp. Remove any scales if you find any. Give it a nice inspection. The ingredients I'm including will be minced garlic, minced onions, and a blend of herbs including green onion, cilantro, and flat leaf parsley. Give that a nice mix. You can add chopped ginger or other ingredients if you wish. This recipe is always changing. I'm choosing to add just a teaspoon of hoisin. You can add oyster sauce if you want. Dash of white pepper. Dash of onion powder. And because I have shrimp in there, I'm gonna just give it a hit of Old Bay seasoning. Can't forget salt and pepper, which I almost forgot. And a teaspoon of sriracha. Now give your filling a nice mix, incorporate the ingredients, and on the side you want to get your wontons ready. When building your wontons, you can make this in advance and refrigerate them or store it in your freezer to cook later at a party. I use egg wash on the edges as a binder. You can also use a slurry of 50-50 cornstarch and water if you don't want to use egg. And once you close it like an envelope, you just want to make sure that there is no air pockets. You can use the edge of your hand to make these little triangles. Next, bring about 2 inches of peanut oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and slowly start adding in your wontons. Maybe just a few at a time so they don't start sticking to each other. What we're going to be doing is cooking them halfway, just until the edges crisp up and bubble. Flip them over and then remove them and place them on paper towels or a rack to absorb most of the oil, the excess. We're going to be double frying these wontons. So after 2 minutes cool down, set them back in for the second fry, and from here you want them to kind of cook on both sides, and you're looking for that perfect golden brown. They cook relatively fast, so you just want them to the desired color. You can always take one out and bite into it if you want. So you're just looking for that crispy, crunchy, golden brown. Once you're done cooking the wontons, add a pinch of salt while they're still warm and serve immediately. I like them with Kikkoman unagi sauce, but you can serve them with sweet and sour, Thai chili sauce, whatever you have. I made these bonus fish balls because I had leftover filling. These I just dusted with cornstarch and a little bit of plain breadcrumbs, and that's what gave it that crispy outer exterior. And that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I hope you try some of these recipes out yourself one day. Peace.